Say hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
Welcome.
Today we have a Peppa Pig. Today,
School.
the schoolhouse.
Okay, let's see what's inside. Let's describe it. See the characters.
They're not in here. They're right here.
Okay, let's set up the characters.
But how we close it? First, of course, we have a bookshelf. We have the bookshelves. Cause we have the bookshelf and the frame.
That's the doorbell. Okay, let's see what else.
We have the letters, and we have the music, the toys, and we have the pictures and the clocks. We have windows, some stuff over here. We have the bookshelf. And so we have a chair to look for your customers.
For students. A school, they're called students, not customers. Students and teachers.
And we have this for the teacher. We have Megazelle. She can learn the children. And we have another one. It goes there.
Okay.
And this one goes for the teacher. She can do something. We have another Peppa Pig. There's two of them. We have a Peppa.
How many Peppa characters do you have?
We have 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
And we have 1 and 2, 3, 4. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Okay, you done describing?
No.
You want to say bye, friend?
Wait, we have to put these children to sit.
Okay.
And say to talk to their children.
Oh, I see.
And then you put this for the teacher because she listened to the.
She's teaching.
Yeah. Oh, someone's missing. I think missing is Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig needs to go to school too.
What's everything?
You have to put the leg down first. Put the leg down first before you put it in. Put the leg straight down first. Put them in there. There you go. Put the leg in first like this. Scoot in down like that. Up. There you go. Now they're in school.
I have these.
Those are friends. You can put them anywhere you want, I guess.
I'm going to go to sit. See? And we have Peppa. She's on mud. I need help. And then we have Mommy Pig. She can watch the children.
There you go.
Thank you.
Put them in school. In the classroom. Hey, you put the leg in first. Stick the leg in like this. There.
And we have the family. They have to go in the camper. Mommy Pig She has to go with Daddy Pig.
How many sets do you have? There's 2 play sets.
Yeah. And Peppa, she can sit right there. And
Okay, we're done describing.
Wait, hold on.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So to say bye, friends. Until next time, we'll buy new sets and we'll describe more.
The house!
Okay, next time we'll buy the house.
And the car.
Okay, so bye, friends.
Bye, friends.
See you next time.
See you next time.
When Korra has new toys.
And we're gonna buy the house.
Okay, say bye.
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 Bye.